Hi, I'm Kathleen. I'm here at Knit and Crochet Stores at the beautiful Ridgedale Mall in Minnetonka, Minnesota. I'm here with our newest amigurumi kits, Catania by Schachenmayr. They're gorgeous. We have a set that can make dolls. We have a set that is for Christmas, and we have a set for babies. Each set includes all the yarn you need to create beautiful dolls. The pattern comes with the kit. The same for here. It contains all the yarn you need plus the patterns to make beautiful baby toys, the yarn and the patterns to make lovely, lovely Christmas ornaments.